All right guys, today we're gonna take a look at the Isinwheel GT1. Alright, another day. Isinwheel GT11 Pro Max something, right? The company sent it to me, review their product, so we're gonna review it. No script, everything based on our opinion. So this is unboxing part. This is very quality bag though. Its quality is really good on this one. I think all the tools inside. Yeah, this is big wheel. Charging brick, instruction manual, bunch of paperwork, and this is what we need. Okay. All right, all set. Display is super nice and clean. I have a speed mode here, a loud horn here. All right, this is a headlight. That's the turn signals, that's the horn, that's the mode on, second, 3, 4, turbo mode, 4 is, 2 is eco, and the 1 is just a walk mode. And we can do other options here. Right, this is a trigger gas, not a twist throttle, and the brakes are disconnects the throttle also. That's very good. Alright, this one for the bag to carry, that's huge plus to have on the scooter, so we can just hang our backpack, all that stuff here. And this is the turn signal here, and it's audible turn signal. That's very good. So as you can see, it's extra large wheels, it's 11-inch off-road wheels, and the dual disc brakes, and it's a powerful 800 watt the motor. But a lot of guys were confusing about this power, but the power made the tune for this specific electric scooter the safety, right? So it's going to be like a slowly graduate the power. It's not going to be like when you pull the trigger, it's not going to pull all the way. We're going to do all the off-roading, pass-bys, we're going to ride a lot, and I'm going to make my conclusion about this electric scooter. It is worth the money or not. I was looking the Costco electric scooter, and I did the couple electric scooters before on my channel, so it was very surprising, but they're offering really interesting deal right now. So let's take a look and let's ride. Right guys, as you can see, we test drove it, we ride in the off-road, all that stuff, right? And what I can say about the Isinwheel GT1, one of the best suspension whatever I tested on the scooters. From beginning, it was looks like hard when you step on, it doesn't sag at all. But when it's jumping, actually, when you see over the bumps, works out really, really good. Never like a maximum of the suspension. Scooter is good to over 300 pounds rider, so I'm over 200 pounds, and without any issues pulls right away. This is a large scooter, this is not a small scooter, right? So the controllers, the headlights, the brightness of the headlights is 100% usable. You can ride in the cities, commute, all that stuff. You don't need any extra headlights. Visibility, surrounding lights are great. As you can see, I insert the videos here. Visibility is good. Turn signals, you have both sides, the lights blinking. Then you have a brake light and running lights on the side. Also, tiny small blue lights on the front. Actually, it's gonna be very good for the attention, right? Purple lights. Screen nice and clean at the daytime. Direct sun, you can read all the information, what the speed, what the mileage, the battery, everything. Screen is really, really good. It just gives you all the voltage, the top speed, average speed, all the information, battery life, and so on and on. Brakes, mechanical brakes, the cable actuated brakes. So I wish for the next GT11 or GT10 or GT2 version, whatever they do, they make a bunch of electric scooters, they do the bicycles, skateboards, all the stuff, right? This is a large company. So I wish they can do the next models, the hydraulic brakes. The wheels or grips are very, very good. Even in the sport mode, for example, let's make it. So this is a mode, you can come closer to the wheel. I'm gonna hit all the way down the trigger, and as you can see, slowly its speed is going, it's still going up the speed. Now is the maximum speed. And also what they do electronically, the brakes, as soon as you let the throttle off, the back, it's gonna be act like an ABS. It's gonna brake the back wheels, and you're gonna grab your mechanical the brakes, and it's gonna stop. So that's a very good feature for the beginners, for the electric scooters. It's not gonna be pulls all the way like that guy does, like crazy torque, right? Altis. So this one is gonna be like gradually push you, and it's gonna goes up. The pros and cons, the build, solid fit and finish, everything is good quality. Even the grips are very nice, but the only thing I don't like is the kickstand is too weak. So it's gonna be like, maybe I'm gonna change up later, because it can be the bend, or it can be fold anytime. So on the back you have two suspensions, and the very nice the tough suspensions, so it's gonna be very easy to, you know, ride in the off-road, all that stuff, right? Huge plus, you have a front bag on the front, all the tools or information, camera stuff, you throw it there and you enjoy the riding, right? Finger actuated acceleration pedal is good. You can grip the actually grips, and one finger you can control it. And my favorite, it's another, is it has a cruise control, so you can turn on, turn off cruise control. If you don't need the cruise control, you just go to the setting and the turn off. Or if you commute a lot long trips, cruise control, like you just riding, hold a little bit, and it's going to be automatically engage the cruise control. You just cruising at the speed. So the fold's very easy. The folding mechanism is very tough, and what I can say is any other bad stuff, I cannot say any other bad stuff. Build, fit and finish quality is good. Well, after a lot of ride, so what I think, I wish they make the batteries a little bit bigger so I can enjoy a lot more. The suspensions, I never feel any numbness on my the feet or on my arm like other electric scooter does. So this one is super smooth and nice, the handling scooter, right? So I wish they have a better battery, right? Other than that, the scooter itself, the workout very good. I enjoyed a lot the riding around, and yeah, definitely very good choice for the price they're offering right now. So also this padding, it's anti-slip rubber material, is very good. I didn't feel any slipness or losing my the control, anything like that. It's workout very good. No knocking, cracking noise, absolutely smooth scooter. Even if I the bigger bumps and jumps, it's nothing, like very solidly built. As you can see, waterproof. The charging port closure, it's going to be closed there. It's a nice material they made, and the rubber piece and the wideness of the board itself, like the lower board itself, more than enough to 11 the size, right? So yeah, the board, everything is good. Workout really good. I enjoy the riding. Definitely you have to work out the brakes a little bit longer, so as soon as you hit the like 15 miles, the brakes gonna be grabbed very good. When they're brand new, the brakes looks like a very weak, but after riding like 10 more miles, 10-12 miles, the brakes gotta comes alive, so it grabs really good. And hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.